The detail table design form is nearly identical to the product layout design form and shares many of the same features. Only those features which are unique to this form will be described in this video. When you double-click Data Cell to add it to the design pad, the corresponding label cell is automatically added as a column header. As you move and resize the data cell, the column header is adjusted to match. The functions on the Format, Tuning, and Cell tabs apply only to the data cells and column headers, exactly as they do on the product layout form. There is an additional tab called Table, which can be used to customize the appearance of the table's rows. When setting a background color for the table header or a data row, remember that the data cell or column header prints on top of this background, and if it also has a background color, and the background color is not set to transparent, it will be the background color of the cell which is printed, not the color of the row. These backgrounds can also work together. In this example, the table has a color set for the data row and another color set for the alternate row. The price data cell also has a background color, and this prints on top of the row colors so that it creates a column with a common color. There are several options for column headers on the More tab. These control whether the table has headers at all, or if the headers print with every product group, or only the tops of columns or subcategory breaks. For most users, the column headers will be the same for each table, and these may have been created automatically if the product data was imported from the CSV file. For some users, though, it will be necessary to change the headers between product groups. This can be done by setting the data source to one of the data columns. In this example, on the data editor form, the specified column contains header text separated by semicolons. These variable headers can be mixed with fixed headers. For example, entering 2 semicolons followed by text instructs the application to use the default fixed headers for the first 2 columns and the variable header for the third. If there's no data in the specified column, the default headers will be used. An optional Notes line can be used in the table. This is a data cell which spans the width of the table and can print above or below the main data row, which contains multiple cells. If you have any difficulties or questions about template design, contact us at support@clevercatalogs.com. We can even create your templates for you at no charge.